Hi there, I'm Matthew Knuckles with Universal Tool and Engineering, and for today's Tech Tuesday, we're going to go over servo-shears with our US90 Select. This US90 Select features a servo-shear. With this servo-shear is the Rexroth servo system and gearbox that drives the actual shear into the tube itself and creates a curling effect that cuts the tube. So we're going to zoom in and we're going to show you how this actually operates. In order to actuate this servo shear, we can come to manual mode here on the Bend Pro. We can actually move in with the positive, cut the tube, and negatively retract. You'll notice we heard the air blow off there as we retracted. That air blow off ends up blowing any chips out of the way from the shear. As we zoom in here, we can actually see that the shape of the blade is meant to roll the tube around as it's being pierced and cut. As you can see here, we've manually inserted a tube into the clamp jaws, and I'm going to manually shear a tube here for you. So as we come in with the cutter, you can see the blade move through and how the actual pierce and cut system works. And as we release the clamp, the tube will fall. As we continue with our Tech Tuesday videos, we will elaborate more on the additional functions of our US Select systems. We'll also elaborate more on the shear function itself and the shear options. Good day and safe bending.